we're here at Tyreglwys farm today, where we've got a project going on looking at how genomics can help with herd improvement on a commercial farm. So we're doing some sampling. Can you introduce yourself, please?
Hi, I'm Francesca from Prostock Vets, based in Carmarthen, and I'm sampling for genomics, clarified. Basically what I'm doing is just like sampling from the tail, so taking few, they reckon 20-25 follicles is what we need, so I just take like this and I have to strip from the bottom to the top.
Okay.
And then I got this where I have to put the last 6 digits of the UK, so in this case 201375 is gonna go here.
Okay, the tag number.
Yeah, the tag number, and then this is the barcode. So then I'm gonna prepare a spreadsheet with the barcode and the UK number here.
Okay.
And the follicles have to be here.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And then where does this sample go then after you've left the farm?
Yeah, the sample. Well, I have to process them to put them like do the spreadsheet and in a bag, and then I send them to Synergy Farm Health. Is a practice in Somerset.
Okay.
And every month they take them, all the one that they receive, and they will send them to USA every month. And every month you got the report from the 2 months previous.
Okay. So what kind of information will we expect back from these samples?
Yeah, it's basically genomics potential of heifers.
Yeah.
So in terms of lactation potential, like protein.
Yeah. So milk quality.
Yeah, milk quality basically. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So we'll look out for further updates in the future.
Thank